Hello all, hello lovely people. It has been so long we seeing each other. I'm not able to see you. Yes. Seems like I'm live now. Let's hope for the best. And after so long I'm here. I'm super excited to see you all guys. And I know it was on very short notice. I haven't even promoted today's live session. But I just wanted to be here to say hi after so long, and I just wanted to absorb the space. I and this month being my birthday month, I just wanted to give a couple of surprises to you guys, and this live is a part of it. Hope all of you will enjoy it. And in today's discussion, I it could be a bit informal one. I'm just going to be here to say to own this space, because honestly, since a few days I was like not active as such in this group. I was doing a few other things. I just want to make sure that I'm here for you guys, to serve you, to answer all your questions, and to be here, right, no matter what. So let's get started with what I wanted to discuss today. I just wanted to talk about the few things that can help you attract consistent clients this month. Not next year, not next year, it is this month. In this August month, if you would like to attract your clients, your ideal dream clients, rather than you chasing them, what if they come to you and they start asking for your help? How does that feel? Exciting, right? So let's talk about a few things that can help you do that in your business. For all those new members who are joining us for the first time, who don't know me, let me introduce myself. I'm Bhavika Trivedi. I'm a client acquisition coach, helping coaches, consultants, and online service providers to get consistent clients using simple organic marketing techniques. All right. So let's get started with the session very, very quick. And I would like to talk about one thing, okay? That one thing that can get you clients this month, maybe in this week itself, right? If you start applying this. So let me talk about one of my clients. She was doing good, okay? She is having a beautiful WhatsApp group, beautiful Facebook group, and a lot many things going on in her business. But when it comes to converting clients, things were not working. She was creating content all the time. She was talking about her profile, her offers, and generating new offers all the time, but it was not somehow clicking in. And we sat together. We understood that what is the tweak required in her business in order to get what she wants to achieve. And after having a couple of brainstorming sessions, we came up with a full solid plan, which includes building her authority in a way where she can build her perception. Okay, most of the times, this is the thing that I wanted to talk today, and I can talk about it on and on. Trust me, because this is something that I love doing. Okay, so perception building itself is a process. Perception building in the eyes of your audience, in the eyes of your target market, your customer, is something that if you do it well, you do not need to sell your offer at all. Trust me, it will get itself sold just like a hot cake. You might not believe today because you might not have started seeing your business from that perspective. But as and when you focus on perception building, this is something that can get you clients this week. This week, okay? This week, not next month, not next year. No, this week itself, in this month, right? So I am working with a couple of coaches where I am helping them build their perception in a way which is getting them create a perception in the market the way they want it to be. So if we get inside the perception building activity, the very first thing that we need to know is how we want ourselves to be presented out there, right? So perception building includes a lot many things, but the very first thing is about showing up as who you are, showing up as your true authentic self, as well as talking about what you want and what you want, what you stand for, right? What are your values? And just to talk about that, the very first thing is you need to know. You yourself need to know that would like to what you would like to talk about, what are your values, what you stand for, right? And it all comes from all the activities that helps you go within. I am a spiritual person. I believe that we spending time with ourselves would get us better idea about perception building and about how we want to present ourselves. All right. So with that, I'm going to end today's session with a food for thought, that how you are planning to build your perception. All right. What you're working upon when it comes to building your personal brand, and when it comes to talking about your perception building. I'm super excited to know that in the chat box. I'd suggest you that you put in form of a comment in the chat box, that how you're feeling about your perception building activity and what are your steps that you're going to take after this conversation. And I'm always looking forward to hear from you. This month being my birthday month, I've decided that I'll be live on other platforms as well, and as well as I'll be showing up more inside my Facebook group. So looking forward to see you all the time. And if you have any queries, put it in the chat box, and would love to see you next time. See you then.